Hi guys, Wicked Penny here, and fall's fast approaching. Now summer ain't over to September 21st, I believe, or that's the first day of fall, but I'm starting to tape to get prepared for the nice, warm, cozy fall nights, and I'm gonna start a few new series because football season is here as well. Look at this. Is it a fucking turtleneck or is it a tank top? I mean, come on. Who comes up with this stuff? But I threw it on. I'm going to make you my first addition to Souped Up Saturdays. Every Saturday, I'm going to upload a video of a soup recipe that I love. I'll share with you. And then you can make it on Sunday if you want for your family. You can watch a football game. I'm also going to do a series of appetizers. I'll drop those every Wednesday. So you can use those first on Super Bowl or football Sundays. It's up to you. So anyway, first soup up on the agenda is, oh wait, where's my coffee? Oh, it's coming. I got it. It's right here. I was out of Kahlua. I was out of rum chata. But my good friend Bailey's is always around. Okay, guys, I'm going to bendy and walk you through so you can see. The soup I'm making today is cheeseburger. You heard it, cheeseburger soup. Okay, so look at the pot. It's got the remnants of the beef that I just browned off. And I don't know, guys, when growing up in my kitchen, in my mom's kitchen and in my grandmother's kitchen, they always had bacon grease in the refrigerator. So it called for 2 tablespoons of oil. Get this pan going. It's already hot. But I'm going to use bacon grease. How about that? Like bacon cheeseburger? I mean, come on. Does it get any better than that? So yeah, guys, don't toss your bacon grease. Oh my God. The possibilities are endless of what you can do with it. I have so many videos coming up that you can see. Okay, hear that? So what I'm doing, I got half a cup of diced peppers. Half a cup of diced onion, okay? I'm going to sweat these off a little bit in that bacon fat. Oh, God. Already smells like I'm cooking Saturday or Sunday morning breakfast. Bacon. Bacon, bacon, bacon. Who doesn't love bacon, right? We all love bacon, and if you don't, you're not part of the fun squad. Okay, so you know the rules. You got to sweat these babies off a little bit. And as soon as I see that they're getting a little translucent, I shan't throw in another ingredient, okay? We'll get them all ready to go. All right. Oh, it smells so good. I know you guys are probably saying, well, a lot of you, what do you mean don't throw out the bacon grease? I pour it down the sink with hot water, hoping that it doesn't clog my pipes like the rest of the world. Well, you don't need to do that. You don't need to live on a prayer. Just put it in your fridge and use it for your recipes. Anytime it says 2 tablespoons of oil or a tablespoon of oil, do a tablespoon of that bacon fat. Mama will love you. All right, guys, these are starting to look pretty good. Okay, I don't want to burn them. But then what does it call for? An 8-ounce brick of cream cheese. We have to throw that in. Guys, I hope you like all these recipes. I'm so excited. I've been waiting. I haven't been wishing summer away because, you know, I love me some sun and tanning. But it's so difficult. Unless I have a big, beautiful backyard with a gorgeous patio layout and a big, huge barbecue grill to cook for you. It's just difficult to come up with recipes that don't belong on the grill outside. Because that's where your food needs to be cooked in the summer. I mean, the air fryer is a nice substitute, but the real deal needs to be on the grill. Okay, so we're melting the cream cheese. Nice, nice, nice. Okay. Isn't that a cute little ingredient? Oh, it smells so good. All right, so then, now that the cream cheese is softened, you add the rest of the stuff. You add It'll just keep on melting. It's not completely melted, if you can see. But it's soft enough for me to add the other ingredients because they'll get hot. You need 32 ounces of beef stock. Guys, since I've been doing these videos, it'll be a year and some. I mean, I've been on YouTube for a year, but I was just strictly doing slot videos for a while. But since I've been doing the cooking, I used to use nothing but beef broth, chicken broth. You know, you gotta use the stock. It's a little more, but it just has so much more flavor. So that was 32 ounces, guys. All right. Then it calls for a can of Rotel. Now I have a knockoff brand Rotel. I got it from Aldi, I believe. The whole can, liquid and all. You throw that in. Okay. Lucky Grandma's peppermill that she sent Keith in the mail. We're going to put that in there. Okay. Yum, yum, yum. Then we're going to put a little salt. It's about a teaspoon of each. You can put more to taste. And a teaspoon of garlic powder. Yeah. Look at that eyeballing. Eyeballing like Rachel Ray. Only I don't sound as annoying here in a Rachel Ray. Oh my God. No, I can't lie. I used to love Rachel. So anyway, still do. And then a pound of ground beef. Yeah, look at all that I took out, all that fat. Okay. Now we're gonna stir. Okay. Guys, it is as simple as that. That cheese melts in there nice. We have to let it simmer. I'm not even going to show you the finished product because it doesn't look that great, but I'm going to put it on sim. Now, this needs to simmer for a while. 1 to 2 hours. You want to get it to a rapid boil and then put it to a simmer. And then when it simmers now for, like I said, I'll push it and I'll probably show you after an hour and start taping and get this shit done. But there's so many things that you can put on top of it to make it yummy, yummy, yummy. Your real favorite cheeseburger soup. So as soon as this is done, I'll come back and share with you, maybe in one of my lovely bowls. So don't go away. By the time it's done, I'll be off coffee and on the booze. Oh, no, there's no peace. Be right back. So, it's simmering. I'm not liking it. I'm not liking the texture or the consistency, and I'm not liking the color. We all eat with our eyes, so if it doesn't look good, you just assume already in your brain that it's not going to taste good. I'll show you what I mean. Here you go. I'm going to bring you over, okay? So, can you see what it looks like? Now, I tasted it a little bit. It wasn't that bad. So, I don't know. I had an idea, so I went and looked at some recipes on Pinterest. It just doesn't seem thick like it would, like a cheeseburger. Boca! Should be like, I don't know. When I think of cheeseburger soup, I think of something cheesy and yummy. So I'm a little disappointed. So, this is what I'm going to do. I got a can of cheddar soup. I'm not going to add any more liquid to it, because there's plenty in there. It's thin. I'm going to put this in, and then we'll come back and see if my quick fix worked. Don't go away. Okay. I'm back. It seems as though the soup did a little bit what I wanted it to do. The color is much better. Much better. It was like a dab grayish yellow, and oh God, no, I followed the recipe to the T because I hijacked this one. So you could see the color is a little better. It's a little orangier. It's a lot creamier. Okay. Which that's what we wanted. The taste is very good. I'm not gonna lie. Presentation wise, every recipe is a little different. Who opened the bathroom door and didn't close it? Now the video looks like shit. Hello, I'm back. I'll go shut it. So ugly. Who wants to look inside my bathroom? Anywho, I'm back. I put a little shredded lettuce on this. It's hard for you to get a good look at it. Again, I don't know, guys. I mean, I'm honest with you. I want to give you the best recipes that I can, that I'm really gonna love, but let's taste together, okay? This is the cheeseburger soup. Guys, look, I put a little lettuce on my spoon. It's actually pretty tasty. Mmm. Mmm. Hot. It's good. I think it needed that cheese. You can also shred some more cheese on it. Hang on. This is just turning into a real shit show. Actually, I'm going to start this section over. No, I won't. Yeah, I will. No, I won't. I'm not. Anyway, let's put some shredded cheese on it. Think that might be any good? I bet you it makes it extra cheesy. All right. So, now you can see it a little better. I put the cheese on top. All right. So we got to let it get a little, because it is cheeseburger. Oh, no, that would have been a real man down. Ooh, look at the cheese starting to, ooh. Oh, is that lettuce? With the ooey gooey cheese. Good. Oh, the finishing touch is the bomb. Guys, at first it was a nay, and now it is a yay. It is good. It's a keeper. It's good. Some crunchy, crusty bread, some sesame seed croutons. Wouldn't those be good? Like the Big Mac roll? Anywho, give it a whirl. I'm adding the cream soup in there as part of the ingredients because if it's not in there, it's no bueno. So give it a whirl. Like, share, subscribe, and let me know. Because I dig it now. I really dig it. Have a great day. Peace.